Hi everyone. Hope you have referred my previous video which relates to the step-by-step approach what you have to take when you are designing your marketing plan. My name is Mahesh Virtung. I'm a senior lecturer and the examiner and the corporate trainer. So I'm here to support you on the sales, marketing, and the brand management concepts, models, and the theories, and also the practical perspectives with regards to the same. Today I'll be talking about the first step of the marketing planning process, especially for the people who have referred my previous videos. If you have not referred my previous video, which relates to the marketing planning process, the four-step model, please go and refer that. Then you will get a better idea about the entire marketing plan. So today I'm talking about the first step of the marketing planning process, where we talk about the situation analysis, also called the marketing audit. What do you mean by the situation analysis? It is very simple. You are analyzing your present situation. You are analyzing your present condition of the business. So, how are we going to do it? To analyze the present situation, you are implementing a marketing audit. So, what do you mean by a marketing audit? Marketing audit we can define as a systematic, unbiased, periodic study covering all your micros and the macros with the objective of identifying your strengths, internally available strengths, and your weaknesses, the drawbacks, what you have in your company. And also at the same time, to visualize whatever the external opportunities you can grab from your market, and at the same time threats you might foresee in your business. So, this study, also called the marketing audit, will cover microenvironmental factors and the macroenvironmental factors. So, when you study microenvironmental factors, you need to study all the perspectives that are influencing your business process directly: your suppliers, your channel intermediaries, your final customers, of course, your competitors, and also your internal environment. So you have to study all these actors or the elements and identify what actors are giving you the opportunities to grow up your business. What are the actors standing as a barrier for you to develop your business? When you especially analyze the internal environment, you come across with your strengths, your strong points. When you analyze internal environment again, you come across with your weak points, your weak areas. So you need to unearth all these by doing this systematic audit. And when it comes to the macro environment, you need to visualize the factors such as the political scenarios, how these political changes or changes in the political scenarios are influencing the industry, countries, and the global economic condition. Inflation, maybe as an example, interest rate, national income, GDP, and all these factors, duty structures, taxations, all these factors, how these factors are basically influencing the industry and also your business. You have to analyze ecological environment, natural environment. So you need to keep your eye on the natural environment. This is where we have to do our business. So whatever the changes in the natural environment might impact the business, maybe positively or negatively, depending on your business that you are in. And the technological changes globally, the technological changes are taking place every day. So you need to identify whatever the new technological changes that are taking place in the industry, which might influence you. There are many technological changes, there are many macro changes, might not influence you. Nothing to worry. When you do the environmental study, you have to focus on the actors and the elements or the forces that are influencing your business either positively or negatively, being either inside or outside. So, technological factors. Many technologies are coming out day in and day out to the industry. So, you have to study them to see whether those are influencing positively or negatively. Then, the ethical consideration in your business, ethics in marketing. You have to study what are the ethical dimensions, ongoing ethical dimensions, the things you have to implement in your business. You got to study sociocultural dimensions, socioeconomic dimensions, so cultural changes, social changes, all these environmental actors you have to study to unearth whatever the possible opportunities and whatever the threats you might come across in the industry. So by doing this, by conducting an environmental audit, so-called marketing audit, you unearth your internally available strengths and internally available weaknesses. At the same time, you uncover all the externally available opportunities and threats for your business, which means we are coming into a very commonly used model called SWOT, SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So the sole objective of conducting an unbiased marketing audit is to unearth all these factors. Then only you can think of whatever the objectives by looking at opportunities available in the industry while mitigating your threats and the weakness. So you come across market available opportunities, many opportunities. Then, using your internally available strengths, you bridge the market opportunities. So you have to scale up your strengths. If you are weak on certain areas, you need to design strategies to get away from the weaker areas and make yourself stronger with the objective of capturing the market related opportunities available, because you being a marketing manager should not lose, should not ignore market available opportunities. So that is why we are conducting a marketing audit, and that is how you have to cover the entire area which relates to the marketing environmental audit. By doing this, you can get a better idea about where you are right now. So with this, go for the second step of creating your objectives, long-term and the short-term objectives. So hope you have a better idea. So follow me on the next video, which I am talking about the objectives. All the best.